people who want to get into a field, the problem is, how do you get experience without experience? Companies always want experience, and then like, how do you get experience if they don't give you a job? And this is a nice way to do that.
Yeah, that's for sure. I think my experience with bug bounties was kind of like that actually. So I started bug bounties when I was in college, and I was a student in computer science. I had no experience in application security or web security, and with bug bounties, I found a way to slowly learn about the field, but while also gaining these like resume points, right?
Yeah.
While I do it. So I got pretty lucky in bug bounties in that I experienced very early success. I think I pretty much found a bounty on my first night of hunting. It was a really low severity report, and I didn't find bugs for like, I think 6 months or so after that, but it was enough to keep me going.